G'day, g'day. It is Tuesday, the 28th of July 2026, starting on the daily chart. Another interesting day. Had a huge gap up from Friday's close, and price did try to reach higher through the Asian session. Unfortunately, I was about 10 ticks off a beautiful entry that went straight to the high of the day. And basically for London, it went sideways, and then New York came down and took out the engineered lows above the Friday's high. And we did close back inside Friday's high. But looking at what Friday did, how it swept Thursday's low, we've taken liquidity below Thursday's low. Monday has essentially made a higher high than Friday's high, and we've closed quite near Friday's high. So there is a potential here for Tuesday to move a little bit lower through Asia, tap into that untouched point of control from Friday, and then move to at least target the high of the week, which is of course Monday's high, and even higher. I don't want to get too wrapped up in that bias because we do have that gap to fill from Friday's close to Monday's open. But that's the potential scenario that I've seen play out before. We have key drivers in the market this week with the FOMC meeting on Wednesday. They're a 33% chance of a hike, which is not that great, so it's probably going to hold. And then we'll be looking towards September. The dipping a little bit, but is notoriously strong still. US and Iran have paused their hostilities, and that's coming after 2 weeks of strikes. And oil, which is obviously the big catalyst in the market at the moment, had eased about 6% yesterday. That eases inflation fears, which is a little bit bullish fold. The VIX is trading around about 18, which is below that really high volatility number of 20. And there is a rotation, of course, out of the US tech stocks that's going on at the moment, and we are seeing some of that flow into gold. It's not translating into the price of gold yet, but money flowing towards gold ETFs. So we'll have to see if that will translate into stronger buying now in the gold market. Going down into the intraday time frame, we'll switch on our key levels at the moment. So 4,000 is still holding. Put in what I'd love to see and what will actually happen are two very, very different things. So we've got yesterday's high in there. Yesterday's low came right off Friday's point of control. Wouldn't you love to be a trader in the New York session, eh? Just buy the point of control and just let it bounce. Okay, we'll take off this. Okay. We are at the value area low from the New York session. We are underneath the dynamic value line. We are below the lower value level. So a little bit bearish. Value area low is holding as support at the moment, but we can't buy off that because we're below the dynamic value line, the lower value level. We can sell any retracements. That's what's going on at the moment. They are selling that. That trade almost might be over. They haven't really tapped into level just yet. So we are in a tight range, but there are sells off the lower value level to trade into yesterday's low. Would love to see a sweep of yesterday's low to move back up, but the potential now is for that at the moment.